What is the biggest mistake people can make when it comes to their vehicle maintenance? Well, let's talk about that. Hi, I'm Mike Urban, founder of Urban Automotive in Oakville, Ontario, Canada, and welcome to You Auto Know, my podcast where it comes to answering clients' questions that they send me. This one's a few parts involved. First and foremost, oil changes. No brainer. Staying on top of oil changes is crucial when it comes to vehicle maintenance. When you study the statistics of fleet management, the number one fail point for vehicles is lack of proper oil change schedules. So stay on top of your oil changes. 8 to 10,000 kilometers on average for vehicles with using full synthetic oil is the industry standard and what we recommend here at Urban Automotive. Regular routine oil changes costs a few $100s a year versus thousands of dollars in repair for turbo replacements, engine repairs due to lack of lubrication, sludge buildup, and the like. Just way easier to be able to stay on top of and maintain your oil changes, first and foremost. But there are a few more. Let's cover the top 5 other issues that people don't review and don't take care of when it comes to vehicle maintenance. The second most expensive component in your vehicle, aside from the actual engine itself, is the transmission. And number one on the list for the most overlooked or most ignored maintenance service is people that believe that lifetime fluid in their transmission means lifetime, that they never ever have to replace it. The issue there, statistically speaking, on average, these types of transmissions, if not properly maintained and having proper services done, 50 to 80,000 kilometers on average for most manufacturers. If you don't stay on top of that, these transmissions typically fail 150,000 to 200,000 kilometers. Doing a fluid replacement is a lot cheaper than a component replacement. So look at that owner's manual, discuss it with your service provider, and see if your vehicle should be taken care of when it comes to having a transmission service completed. Number 2 on the list is cooling system service. Having a regular cooling system fluid exchange completed on your vehicle. Coolant does break down over time. It becomes acidic and can do extreme damage internally on gaskets, water pumps, and hoses. Typically, most manufacturers require or suggest fluid replacement every 5 years or every 100,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Most people will ignore that. I have customers that are new to me that come in and say, my vehicle's 10 years old and I've never had a coolant exchange and it's not required. You're living on borrowed time if you're not doing this, because the acidity of the fluid will wreak havoc on your cooling system over time. So that's number 2. Number 3 is ignoring warning lights. Ignoring a check engine light, low tire pressure, low brake fluid, red exclamation mark. By ignoring these, you are leading yourself to potential catastrophic failure. So you want to definitely address any lights that come on your dashboard. They're there for a reason. It's the way the vehicle communicates to you. If the ABS light is on, there's a reason for it. If your airbag light is on, something has failed. That in particular means that your airbag system is not working. It will not work in a crash if the airbag light is on. Needs to be addressed. Check engine light, most common issue is loose gas cap, but regardless, you should definitely get the vehicle scanned, get the codes that's involved, see what's going on with that vehicle before it leaves you stranded. Number 4 is brake fluid exchanges. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture. This moisture gets into your ABS system, your anti-lock braking system, can wreak havoc on all of the components in there and cost you thousands of dollars. Most manufacturers, including Volkswagen, Mercedes, BMW, European manufacturers in particular, have a systematic routine schedule plan for maintenance to have this fluid exchanged in their vehicles. Generally, roundabout numbers, every 2 years is what most manufacturers recommend. But if your service provider shop has tools that can record the moisture, they will let you know what the moisture level is at to advise you as to whether that fluid needs to be changed at the 2-year mark, before, or if you've got some time after. And number 5, not replacing cabin and engine air filters. Restricting airflow is not good for either the engine or the cabin. People look at the cabin air filter as not necessarily top on the priority, and when they're asked or questioned on having to replace it or should require replacement, a lot of people balk at that price and balk at doing that job, but causing airflow pushback on motors and resistors within the HVAC system, again, can cost you hundreds of dollars for a filter that costs you a few dollars. So every year, 20,000 kilometers is when most manufacturers and most shops suggest replacement of your filters. It's a small price to pay rather than reducing your fuel economy when it comes to your engine air filter and wreaking havoc on key systems and key components within the HVAC system by having a plugged filter. So to summarize, the biggest mistake is not having a preset scheduled maintenance for your vehicle. By ignoring these key maintenance services, you are dancing with the devil, as they say, and it's only going to be a matter of time before something catastrophically fails on the key systems that I've discussed here today, and the key points. So just address it, find a good service provider, have them review your vehicle on a regular basis, at least twice a year, and you should be fine in having them take care of the vehicle and preventing major breakdowns. Vehicles that receive regular maintenance typically last hundreds of thousands of kilometers of trouble-free driving, and all it takes is just a little bit of maintenance. If you have any questions, automotive related, by all means, go to our website, urbanautomotive.ca, click on the Ask Mike, and we'll be happy to answer them in an upcoming podcast. As we say here at Urban Automotive, safety first.